So, after spending the entire day in Orange Garden, there was a little surprise waiting for us as we head towards the oldest monastery in Sikkim, which was being renovated along with a beautiful skywalk. Before we go forward, do like, share and subscribe to our channel Beyond Musafir and click on the bell icon to get notified on our next upcoming videos. A new place with a new site to explore. Here we reached the statue of Chandrasekh, perched at an hillock at an altitude of 9,200 feet. The 135 feet statue is located at an elevation of 7,200 meters. This is considered to be the world's tallest statue of Chandrasekh. ये दुनिया के सबसे बड़े बैठे हुए बुद्धा है, जहां पहुंचने के लिए हमें लगभग 170 स्टेप्स लेने पड़ते हैं। Chandrasekh is considered the patron of Tibet, and in fact, the living Buddha, the Dalai Lama, is an incarnation of him. One can see the beautiful mandalas here, and the breathtaking view of Kanchenjunga is a plus point here. क्योंकि यहाँ के मैक्सिमम पॉपुलेशन बुद्धिस्ट है, इसलिए यहाँ के लोकल्स यहाँ प्रेयर करने आते हैं।
Skywalk, you must come once. You must really visit. Actually, we don't find such skywalks in India, and I think this is one such piece of amazing sky bridge which we have. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view from the monastery. It's really amazing. That is the skywalk. We entered from there, and then we took our tickets. Then we came to this top. Then we visited this monastery.
It is believed that each turn of a prayer wheel represents a recitation of the prayer inside and transports it to the heaven. ऐसा माना जाता है कि pilgrims spin the wheel to earn merit and help them focus on the prayers they are reciting. According to Tibetan Buddhist belief, spinning a prayer wheel is just as effective as reciting the sacred text aloud. It's time to now have a spectacular view of Pelling from the exclusive skywalk. This skywalk was inaugurated in November 2018, and since then it has flourished to become one of the famous tourist attractions in India. This skywalk is made of glass. यहाँ से we can see the whole of Pelling, which is really beautiful and amazing. The timings for skywalk is 9 am to 4:30 pm, and the entry ticket for locals is 20 rupees and for tourists is 50 rupees. अब हम अलविदा लेते हुए आपसे मिलेंगे एक नई जगह के साथ. Till then, take care and keep exploring. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on the next upcoming video. Take care.